The Chief Executive Member of the TTAADC, Purna Chandra Jamatia, officially intensified his re-election bid for the Killa-Bagma constituency today. The veteran TIPRA Motha leader conducted an extensive door-to-door campaign covering more than 10 villages within the Chaigaria Village Committee areas. During the campaign trail, CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia expressed his profound gratitude to the TIPRA Motha founder, Killa-Bagma, for renominating him to contest from his home turf. He stated that the leadership's trust reinforces his commitment to the Dhansa of the indigenous people. The CEM was met with a warm reception from local residents throughout the day. Acknowledging the support, CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia thanked the villagers for their enthusiastic participation and positive feedback. The response from the people of Chaigaria is a testament to the work we have done over the last 5 years. Their energy drives our mission forward, he remarked during a village meeting.
BC amsaini joto parawo sung tini meeting khailekha puilao sung satrai colony thanglaikha early morning sung noita tamani jorao sung satrai colony thangkha moni pore TRPC colony thangkha TRPC colony ni pore sung jelwa kamio thangkha moni pore sung phirok phaiwe Chaigaria kamio thangkha moni pore moni thang lomkam angga tabo oro jaga bahat Arjun para boni pore tabok tini bahatur omahke jeng prai thung parano no Chaigaria ni thung parano jeng tini election campaign khaimani tini pailekha nahar mung kaisa no jeng tini lokurok no jot ang candidate oro haine hai mafi mani yagulo jot bisini lokurok bai ang ma laiwe chini bubagrani message no jeng ronai chini land rights economic rights chini 120 feet amendment jeng tumani bagoi nang botrong no jeng salaina ni bagoi no BC wise para wise jeng chini lokurok no teibo kaham ke busirowani bagoi jeng mahai campaign nalaikha engge positive response jotone amsaini lokurok bubagrani logeu no tongnai bubagrani logeu no tongu teibo chini sobano ragrona ni bagoi borok commitment khlaijak phainai 12 tarikh borok jotono khatung khaja khlaiwe chini TIPRA Motha party ni favor no borok bodonai omahike commitment rolaikha amsaini lokurok aini hai oro jaga candidate infimani bagoi ani byaktigoto chini lokurok no hambaya pharu tei chini bubagra no bo hambaya pharu ano trust khaimani tei ano barjarok mani bagoi lokurok ang 5 bosor o amsayo samung tangmani no maximum no khushi ungkha khatungkha thangnai jebabe chung margin no boni chai tabo margin kobang rokunai taningke thangnai pro puila chung jorabo malia kami amsai thungjaga guri malia o 5 bosora ang chini 20 Killa-Bagma ni joto ADC village amsai prai 140 paratong 140 ta paratong chini amsai no khang emon para kri je ang sokmaya joto parane ang sokha joto parane borok no ang sinilaha hani bangoi amsaini lukurok bhaine ano teibo khap furjak bai ko ha jehetu chini laijak tonglajak malaijak joto kamio sokjak hani bangoi ani advantage bungkha je teiwaisa tabuk mamani yagulo ang lukurok ni nawo thangmani bagoi ani bu subida angkha nge public ni bu jonogon ni bu haino subida angkha jehetu borok ano kaham khisini jak ani tongmung samung mani behavior borok bu kaham khisini jak ang bu chini jak hani bangoi tabo blai positive bubagrano hambaya pharu haine hai ano sujog rompimani bagoi.
The TTAADC elections are scheduled for April 12, 2026, and Purna Chandra Jamatia early momentum in Killa-Bagma signals a high-stakes battle for the TIPRA Motha stronghold. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.